Welcome to TestHQ. In this video, we'll be guiding you through the McQuaig Mental Agility Test, MMAT, a cognitive assessment designed to measure your ability to think quickly, solve problems under pressure, and evaluate data effectively. Let's dive in. The MMAT is a fast-paced, 15-minute test with 50 multiple-choice questions. The challenge? You'll only have 18 seconds per question. It's designed to test your problem-solving skills, decision-making ability, and how well you perform under pressure. Your goal here isn't to answer all 50 questions. Very few people can finish the whole test. Instead, focus on answering as many questions as possible, quickly and accurately. A high score depends on the speed and correctness of your answers. The MMAT consists of 3 main types of questions: mathematical skills, verbal reasoning skills, vocabulary. Let's break down each section and look at some sample questions. First, let's look at mathematical skills. There are 15 questions in this section, which assess your ability to process numerical data and solve problems quickly. You'll be asked to perform tasks like percentage calculations, multi-step word problems, series completions, and basic arithmetic. Sample question. If the price of a product increases from $50 to $60, what is the percentage increase? A. 10%, B. 20%, C. 15%, Option D. 25%. The correct answer is B. 20%. You calculate this by taking the difference between $60 and $50, which is $10, then dividing by $50 and multiplying by 100, giving you a 20% increase. Next, verbal reasoning skills. In this section, you'll answer 17 questions designed to assess your ability to derive logical conclusions from verbal information. These questions may ask you to solve syllogisms or interpret ambiguous statements. Sample question. Frugal is to extravagant as docile is to A. Obedient, B. Passive, C. Rebellious. Correct answer, C. Explanation. The analogy is based on opposite meanings. Frugal refers to someone who is careful with spending, while extravagant refers to someone who spends excessively, opposites. Similarly, docile describes someone who is obedient and easy to control, while rebellious describes someone who resists control or authority. Therefore, rebellious is the correct opposite of docile. Finally, vocabulary. This section tests your language skills and knowledge of synonyms and antonyms, with 18 questions in total. Sample question. What is the synonym of happy? A. Joyful, B. Sad, C. Angry, D. Worried. Correct answer, A. Joyful. The goal here is to test how well you understand words and their meanings. Now, let's look at some essential tips to help you ace the MMAT. Tip number 1. Practice under time constraints. With only 18 seconds per question, you'll need to work quickly. Practice timed questions to get used to the pace of the test. Tip number 2. Focus on accuracy first. While speed is key, answering questions correctly is more important than rushing through. Work through the questions you know first, then return to more challenging ones if time allows. Tip number 3. Use a blank sheet of paper for calculations. No electronic devices are allowed, but using paper for quick math can help you process the numerical questions more efficiently. Ready to prepare for the MMAT? Visit TestHQ.com for free practice tests, expert resources, and tips to help you perform your best on the McQuaig Mental Agility Test. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more test prep tips. Start practicing today and improve your chances of acing the MMAT.